There you are. Got it. Just caught it. Yeah, it didn't. It appeared right there in front of me, right down there, but it didn't come all the way from the ground either. You can also tell that it just appears there. It just kind of mystically appears there. There, did you see it, hon? You see it going up?
Yeah.
It's starting to get high now, though. Should I zoom out a little bit for a second, or stay zoomed in? Yeah, there it is. See, you can still see it with naked eye. Zoom in slowly, because I saw a few go fast already. I think I already saw a few go fast on the video. Yeah, stay zoomed in on it. Well, that thing that. Never mind. There goes another go fast. A couple of them. Sometimes they get closer, and I'm zoomed in already. So. If I zoom out, that last one, that zip, there's another one. There's a good one. 1 minute and 10 seconds, son. Oh, yep. It just might zoom in on this one too today. Yep, I'll have to zoom in on this one too today. It did that thing again. It just turned white, and that thing is glowing again. And yesterday I zoomed in on it, and when that thing starts sparkling like that, it's split in two pieces. It's split, but it's really small. It's hard to see it. It's getting higher up. You could see it split in two pieces, and there's no suspension lines or anything like that either, so it's obviously not connected. It's not connected to it. Okay, there's a crosswind. Okay, it's going, the wind's in my face now. It's over my head, directly over my head, and I am now facing the south. And there is a wind in my face. Same like yesterday, crosswind. Blowing from, oh, that's a great shot of it, man. All right, it's heading west. It's moving back. It's moving over a little bit. It's still going through a crosswind, though. Was that something too? Was that another go fast, or was that just something on my screen?
I don't know.
All right, still heading west. Oh, there goes a go fast for sure. Oh, this video might end up being better than yesterday. Hey, hon, do me a favor. Look around. I should have told you that already. I'm sorry. Oh, your phone's not ready to record, is it?
No.
All right, look around. Tell me if you see anything. Like before. Remember before?
Yeah, I look around. I don't see.
Tell me if you see anything like that again.
No, I don't see anything.
All right. Just keep looking, though, because you never know. Just quick. You know how they are. They just pop up there suddenly, don't they? And surprise you. Sometimes when you least expect it. Oh, crap. Did I knock anything off the table?
You bottle.
That's it?
Your tea.
Okay, it's empty anyway. I'll get it. Anything else?
No.
Okay. It's right about the time I expected to see it too. Like yesterday, earlier. All right, now I am facing west. And there's a little bit of a light breeze in my face still, facing west. So yeah, that thing's going through a crosswind and into the wind at the same time. Yeah, there's a stronger breeze in my face now. So it means there's gusts blowing from the west to the east. So it's also going against the wind. And there's wind blowing from south to north. Can you still see it if you look up? What if I zoom out? Will I still be able to see it?
I don't see nothing.
Yeah, I can still see it with my naked eye. It's still not that high. It's still not that high.
Yeah.
It's not that high above. It's not a balloon at all. It's getting higher though. Hon, I'm recording a video, hon. Okay, go do what you have. If you have to go to the bathroom, go ahead and go. You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Go in the house. I'll be right back.
All right.
Yeah. When I come back, I'm going to sit in my chair over there.
Or we're probably going in soon.
Yeah. I'll be
I
back.
don't know how long it's gonna. How long? Well, how long I'll be able to see it for here.
I'll be back.
All right. It's been visible over 5 minutes. Been visible 6 minutes. It's going straight up now, it looks like. Is it hovering now? There goes a go fast right there for sure. Another go fast. Another go fast. Another one. And those were up a little higher up too, not close to me. They weren't very close. I'm zoomed in. Okay, it started out, it went from east to west. It started out just like yesterday going, there goes another go fast. I think it's, yeah, just like yesterday, it started out going from east to west, but it just like yesterday, it started out kind of going to the northeast, right? Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, northeast. But now it is going, it drifted over, then it drifted from the northeast. Now it's to the, the southeast. I'm sorry, southeast yesterday. It started out going to the southeast, correction. But today it started out doing the same thing, going to the southeast, but then it drifted to the wrong again. South. Oh, there goes another go fast. Yesterday it's go fast. It started out going southwest. Yeah, from the east to the southwest, and it started doing that again today. But now it has drifted from the southwest to the now it's due west now. I'm sorry, no, due north. Now it is due north. It's never done this before. I've got all the video footage I have all year. I've never seen it do this. It drifted from the eastern sky, and it went across to the western side of the sky, just like it did. It always does in all my videos. Or it'll disappear right over my head a lot of times. But then this time it went from the eastern side of the sky to the northern side of the sky. So now I'm facing north. I started out facing east, and then I was facing south when I said I had the wind in my face. And then I was facing west, and now I'm facing north. Yeah, I've turned all 4 directions this morning. Go fast. It's messing with me because I've been thinking nonstop about the direction of travel and stuff. About it. In all my videos, it always just goes only typically just east to west. And now it's gone from, oh, no, the go fast. Now it's gone, from east to west against the wind. Yeah, to southwest. And then from southwest to northwest. Yeah, northwest. And now it's like due north. Now it's going due north now. Another go fast. It's never done that before. It's gone in all 4 directions. Now let me look that up. I don't think a balloon would go in all 4, would change directions to all 4 directions. There went another go fast a few minutes ago. Yeah, I really don't think a balloon is capable of doing what you just saw that thing, what I just got this thing on video doing just now. It went from east to the eastern sky. Before I cut the video, it's getting up higher now, but it's still visible. Been visible for 12 minutes. Before I cut the video, I'll show it. I'll zoom out and show it what everything it did. Wait. Ow, my back, man. I'm holding it almost straight up again. It's not directly over my head. It's out to the west now. Or I'm sorry, to the northwest. It was over there, due north, and then it went back over there again. It started out going, it started out going a little bit with the wind. It started heading north, and then it went back over to the north west again. So that thing went in all 4, went in crazy directions today. All 4 directions. But I don't see it now. And my back is killing me here. I gotta put it down. Ah! Okay, in my chair now. Oh man, that hurts. Oh, 13 minutes ago, 06:51. Yeah, it was early like yesterday, but a few minutes later than yesterday. And I figured, I kind of knew it was going to show up. Yeah, a little earlier, just like I was hoping it would show. I was hoping it would show up a little earlier today, and I was hoping it would show up a little earlier yesterday too, and it did. And I was, doing that in putting that into my summoning meditation. And then I've been the last 24 hours, and even a lot more than that, I've been thinking nonstop about its direction of travel. Trying to make sure I can prove that you can. I know it's not a balloon, but I'm trying to make sure I can prove that it's not a balloon. I can show that, and I already have. I think I clearly have. I'm just trying a little too hard to make sure. I think, or just making sure all the bases are covered, like the experts would do. But I've been thinking nonstop about its direction of travel. Okay, look at all my videos going back to November last year of 2024. Sometimes usually it'll be exactly 90 degrees. That way is exactly 90 degrees. Here, should I show that real quick? Ow. Calculator. Compass, okay? 90 degrees due east. Just about every single one of my videos. Although occasionally it'll vary. Sometimes, like November last year when I've seen it up, like it was over that house. It was actually I've seen it one time almost directly over that house up close before. Actually, sometimes it'll be closer, sometimes it'll be further away. But it'll typically vary. It'll be between there, typically right there, like this morning, or over there a little bit, or over there a little bit. But always within this sector from 90 degrees, always within this sector from here to here. I always see it like that. From here to here. It's always within that sector. Okay, it starts out there, and then it starts ascending. But as it's ascending, it's moving towards me. And then it goes over me, just like it did today, just like I showed it on video, doing just now on this same video. And then it went over to the western sky. You see, I was standing here, and then I was facing this way. Okay, I started out facing this way, then I was facing this way. Okay, aiming up like this. And it went over my head, and then it kept going this direction to the west, through the crosswind, which was coming from this way. And it kept going out that way. It went a little more that way, like it did yesterday. It was heading, just like yesterday, it was heading to the southwest, that way. And then suddenly this morning, it changed direction. And when it went from there, just like I showed it doing on video. Was that something else? Whoa, yes it was. I just got another go fast on video. I saw it go, another one too. I saw it go across my screen when I was recording, and then I saw it out with my naked eye over there too, like streak all the way across the sky. See, that's why sometimes you got to zoom out a little more. And oh man, might be one of my better videos. I don't know, but then it was over there, and then it changed directions from it was on the western side of the sky. Went from east to west, but a little bit to the southwest. Yes, southwest, and then it went north, and then suddenly it changed directions north, and it ended up over there, and it disappeared somewhere up over there. And then it went all the way over here even. I ended up facing this direction at one point, straight due north. And it was in this part of the sky. And then it went back over here again, and somewhere over here. And then it changed directions again one more time before I lost visual. Here, do I need to show? I don't need to show that on the compass, do I? I mean, I already showed the 90-degree azimuth. Okay, I don't think I need to show any more. Hey, I'm sorry. I think it's gone. It went all four directions. And then but then after it went north, okay, it was on this side of the sky, then it went back northwest again, and then it disappeared somewhere up there to the northwest. So all four directions it just showed me. See, I'm not a balloon. You see, look at that. Because it did that probably because I've been thinking about it. Even when I do my summoning meditation, I can't get it off my mind. That, because the direction of travel and everything, I've been thinking about it. And I think that's why it did that. Is it still up there anywhere? Can we still see it? It disappeared. It disappeared somewhere over there. Huh? All right, I'll get it for you. It disappeared somewhere over there. Oh, man, this is a good video. I'm going to be working on this video for a little while. In fact, maybe we'll stay in this afternoon. You want to stay in this afternoon? Want to stay in the house this afternoon? Because I'm gonna be busy on this video. Yeah, I'll get it for you. I'll help you. I'm get ready to go in the house anyway. Whoa. And it went all four directions. East, it went from east over my head like it always does to west, and just like yesterday, a little bit to the southwest, and then suddenly it changed directions, and it went all over here. And at one point, I was facing all the way due north, and then it went back over here somewhere to the, and then it changed directions again one last time before I saw it, and then I lost visual of it somewhere up there to the northwest. But it didn't go straight to the northwest, though. It went over, I barely feel any wind at all, but there's barely a breeze coming from this way. But it started out going through the crosswind, just like it did yesterday, and it went all the way to the other side of the sky. I ended up facing west. And then next thing you know, when it was in this part of the sky, it starts going this way suddenly. And then at one point, I was facing due north. And then it ended up going back to the west again. it started to go a little bit to the, almost, it didn't start going east, but it started to face due north. And then it went, yeah, and let me check that on the compass. That was due north. I was facing when at one point. Yeah, at one point, at one point, yeah, I was facing due north. And then after I was facing due north, it drifted back to the northwest again. So how many minutes, I lost it. How many minutes was I in when I lost it on video? I think it was about almost 13 minutes, I think. Yeah, so it's been, okay, I've been out of visual for like 7 minutes now. But I saw a few other things after it disappeared too. There was another amazing go fast that struck across the sky, and I saw it with my naked eye too. It went not just on the computer, not just on my monitor. I saw it with my naked eye too. It streaked across the sky. I'm pretty sure I got it on video. Right about 16 minutes in, I got several go fasts on video. I could see that one with my naked eye too. It was close. One of them at the end of the video was really close. I'm gonna be like cutting this video up all day today. I better go in and get comfortable here. I was doing summoning meditation, started at 0350, and yesterday I started at 4 to 5, and then did a little more while I was sitting outside. This morning I started meditation at 0350, and then till about 0430, and then came outside about 0530, and did a little more summoning meditation between 5:30 and between 4:30 and 5:30 as well. So, and then a few minutes sitting here. And I knew I was going to see it early. All right, I'm sorry. I'm still recording because I still might see it, hon. It was only a few minutes ago. It disappeared right up there. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video. And if it comes back, sometimes it's been known to come back on like 3 occasions over the past year. I've seen it twice in one morning. I mean, I see it twice in one day all the time. Usually, sometimes at dusk and dawn, but I haven't seen it at dusk since August. Only at dawn, just like what I just saw. So, yeah, I'll get it. So it's been known to come back. There's been 3 occasions where it's come back. Also, if this video is not proof enough, watch my June 17th sphere video as well as my April 17th sphere video, and watch the May 5th video as well. Watch my March 12th video. Look at all my footage in May, and look at all my footage in August as well. There's a lot more videos than that even, but particularly though June 17th, April 17th, and May 5th, there's similar videos like this, but watch those videos compared to this one. And look at all my footage really just for the past year, going back to November, or actually June 4th of last year. Is when I first started getting them on video. The first one was on the beach, and it was, the thing was, that one was moving horizontally, though. It was similar like this one, but it was moving horizontally, and it was spinning. It was a similar kind of sphere like I just recorded. Except it was moving horizontally, not ascending. They usually do move horizontally, especially when I see the night orb. They're always moving horizontally. This one's weird. That's why I always like to see this one, because it's always at dawn, sometimes at dusk. And it always appears to the east, due east, about 90 degrees, and it starts out ascending. And then, but like you saw what it did this morning, boom, east, west. And then from this side of the sky here, went from over here to here. And then back to here. So again, one more time before I conclude, and if I see it again, if I still find it up there with my, I think it's gone. It's some clouds up there. That's right about where it disappeared. But I'll keep looking, and if I see it appear again, or if I see it up there, I'll start recording again. But again, recap before I cut. It started out due east, and then from due east to this side of the sky here, and then it went from this side of the sky to this side of the sky, and then it went back from this side of the sky over to here somewhere, and that's right about where it disappeared. I think, what was it, about 12 or 13 minutes into the video. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut.